In grace of Lord Ganesha and Karmaridasar, who had instructed me to carry on his work until he arrives. So it was he who had initiated me into this path, and it was he who said, after Pamban Swami, I had to take the work, and after myself, you do it. So it all began with him. And this photo has a special significance because it was the time when I was learning from him more of a student. And one day I asked, Swami, it's an eclipse. Just like today when we are talking, it's an eclipse. He said, yes, it's an eclipse. Have we to be afraid of the eclipse? He said, definitely not. Because we are the devotees of Mother Karmari, the gracious goddess who assumes various forms of Mother Meenakshi, Kamakshi, and Nilayatakshi. She is the divine mother whom Sri Sukabrahma Maharishi worships day and night. She is Lalita Tripura Sundari. She is Pratyangara. She is Varahi. Then I said, when it is an eclipse, what we have to do? Obviously, we have to chant her mantra for activating our Kundalini Chakra, for she resides there as the Mooladhara. And he revealed a mantra. ॐ नागकन्याय विद्महे स्वर्णपुर्याय धीमहि तन्नो नागेशी प्रचोदयात्. It was Nageshi, not Nageshwari. Then again he said, ॐ नागकन्याय विद्महे स्वर्णपुर्याय धीमहि तन्नो नागेशी प्रचोदयात्. After a few days, somebody asked whether it was Vidmahe or Vidmahe, or else it was Nageshi or Nageshwari. Then Karmaridasar replied that any mantra for fructification it needs three things. One is faith in the Guru, faith in the mantra. Second thing is the Bodhichitta, or else your chitta should be tuned with the mantra. You should think that it good will happen. Third is your merit. And if you don't have the merit of your guru is going to help you in some way or other. The moment you are listening now, I am talking to you means you have some sort of merit. And the mantra was handed over by Karmaridasar, sir, so it has its own value. I will repeat again. Om नागकन्याय विद्महे स्वर्णपुर्याय धीमहि तन्नो नागेशी प्रचोदयात्. ॐ नागकन्याय विद्महे स्वर्णपुर्याय धीमहि तन्नो नागेशी प्रचोदयात्. ॐ नागकन्याय विद्महे स्वर्णपुर्याय धीमहि तन्नो Nageshi Prachodayat. And there is another instance. I first went to meet him at the age of 9. Every Sunday he will call me and he will say, I will give you an initiation. I went to meet him. My house was at Lakshminagar, Bhavani. From there, the temple was around 10 kilometers away at Tambikalai. Every Sunday, I used to walk from my home. There was no bus facilities and all. It was a forest area at that point of time. Every Sunday, 4:30 to 6 he will call because it's a Rahu Kalam. 17 years I went. 17 into 52, you calculate how many years I would have gone there. So it had become 26. I was around 26 years. I was near, if somebody else he would have just ran away, but I just went to meet him. And he initiated me into a mantra. When you wait for the Guru, you add weight in your life. Waiting in itself is a penance. Meditation is a process where you learn that beyond the mantras and the visualization process, there is a higher truth that exists within yourself. It is the utmost ultimate awareness experience that we are going to achieve by that. You are going to achieve an feat in which you will know that you are that Tattvamasi. ॐ नागकन्याय विद्महे स्वर्णपुर्याय धीमहि तन्नो नागेशि प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ नागकन्याय विद्महे स्वर्णपुर्याय धीमहि तन्नो नागेशि प्रचोदयात्।